I literally have to be on this meeting in 19 minutes. I don't know, in my head when I thought about it, like it was making sense, you know? I got everything set up.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
Are you gonna get down? She's terrified of this.
How I feel about you, because you really wanna this moment.
Hello, my beautiful people! Papa was good. It's your girl, Mommy Tiff, and I'm back again with another video. Good morning, y'all. First of all, I killed my smoothie that y'all just saw me make. Y'all, I've been on a smoothie kick. Like, when I tell y'all I had strep throat last week, like when y'all watched my video that came out on Thursday last week, I was down bad. But I was eating ice cream and soup, ice cream and soup, ice cream and soup. And I was like, why am I not eating smoothies? Those are really healthy. I should get on that. Anyways, today I am so excited for this video because if you guys watched my last video, A Day in the Life as a Content Creator, which to make sure to go check out after you watch this one, I kind of hinted to y'all that basically I had this brand deal coming up on my Instagram page, which is what I'm going to be showing y'all the behind the scenes for today. And I finally can tell y'all what the brand is. The brand is, drumroll please, Palmer's. First of all, why they ever would want to work with me, could not tell you, but love Palmer's, y'all. When I tell y'all, I've been using Palmer's since I was probably a baby. Like, they should have put me on a baby ad for Palmer's. Like, anyways, I'm excited because I'm doing a hair campaign with them on my Instagram. I'm going to be doing an Instagram reel, an in-feed post, stories. So yeah, that's what we're going to be getting into today. I did get up a little bit later and then I had to do some work for Anscape, so we are a little bit behind, and I have a meeting at 2 p.m. So lots going on, but that's fine. As you can see, my face is already dolled up, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Whoosh. Okay, so I'm back. First, I want to get into basically how I even came about this brand deal, right? Essentially, there's websites out there for small creators. I think there's like Upfluence. The one that I'm going to be talking about is Aspire. And there's like a bunch of other ones. Some of them have like thresholds in terms of like engagement rate or amount of followers that you have. But specifically how I'm communicating with Palmer's is through this website called Aspire. I think I talked a little bit about it in my last video, but on this website, there's just a bunch of ad campaigns that you can apply to. And so I actually applied to Palmer's back in February, and they got back to me literally at the end of April, sent me products for this hair campaign, and yeah, it's time for me to like turn in the work. So I'm getting the content done for today. It was really important for me, like now that this is like my career, like I really want to make sure, I mean, I was always doing my best work, but I really want to make sure that I'm always putting my best foot forward. And I'm a very visual person, so essentially, how do I even explain this? Like, I create myself mood boards for the brand deals that I have now because I need to envision it. I need to know the step by step. Y'all know I'm a heavy script girl. Like, I like to have things written out so I know what needs to be done. Okay, so basically, as you guys can see here, I'm on Canva. This is just like a little mood boards that I've created. So the first one is actually going to be for the in-feed post. But basically, some of these pictures I've taken myself, but then also some of these pictures are off of Pinterest. Basically, this is just to give me, again, a visual, some inspiration of what I want to capture within like the content. And then again, same thing here for the reel, and just having like little notes of, okay, this is what needs to be captured. And then this one's for the stories. And basically kind of how I came up with this whole map is that the brand actually sent me basically like instructions of what they would like to see within the content. Obviously, everything that I tell y'all, like in terms of my opinion, how I feel about the product, is 100% organic, but like they kind of give you some like guidelines of like what you need to accomplish to make sure you hit like specific targets throughout your content. Okay, so now I'm in my restroom. Basically off camera, I went ahead and packed my bag. So essentially the content that I'm going to be doing specifically for the Instagram reel is going to be on the rooftop of my building. Up on the rooftop is a pool and an outdoor shower. I've actually never tried the outdoor shower, so hopefully it worked. But I kind of came up with this like really cool and like, I don't want to say tropical because like I'm in DC, but like very much summer-esque kind of reel idea. And it's something that's different. Like I don't really record many things outside. So yeah, I have all the products in here, which I'll show you when we get upstairs. 2 towels, a razor, just in case, you know, I have a little bit of something I need to clean up. And then I have my white bathing suit. This is a one piece. I'll go ahead and put it on for y'all. Well, y'all will see it later when we get up on the rooftop. But this is such a cute one piece. And I'll go ahead and link it down below. I got it off of Amazon. And I wear this all the time. Like it's just such a cute bathing suit. I also am bringing up this tripod that I think I might have showed you guys in my last video. I'm not sure. But basically I had gotten this tripod from, believe it or not, Marshall's. But it's supposed to be like for TikTokers and stuff like that. And it has like this little clip on. So you could just like clip it to different things. Which is kind of nice and handy because most of the stuff that I record is by myself and I don't really have help from other people. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go up to the rooftop. Child, it is so bright out here. I'm like, dang, why didn't I bring no sunglasses? So clearly I'm up on the rooftop. And y'all, the outdoor shower does work. There's actually 2 of them, but I think I'm gonna use this one that's like on the outer part of it because for when I'm not getting naked, and 2, the sunlight will be hitting. But let me just show y'all the scenery. Like y'all did not have to snap like this. This is the beautiful infinity pool. So let's get into it. So I think I'm going to set up like the products somewhere here on the pool deck. And then I'm just gonna take like a couple of videos and shots just of the product. Okay, so basically I just readjusted the products so they're a little bit closer to where the stairs is, like right here. The phone is literally set up right there, and I'm using the cinematic feature to basically capture the entire reel. I talked about that in my last video. Love using the cinematic feature. It just looks great on the iPhone. Essentially what I'm trying to capture in this specific shot, which is going to be like the opener, the products is going to be the main focus, but in the background you're going to see me get out of the pool. After that, after I get out of the pool, you know, I'm going to take the products with me and I'm going to bring it to the outdoor shower, you know, clean my hair in the outdoor shower. Very much vibes, very much summer-esque. That's basically the concept. It is very cold. I literally have to be on a Zoom meeting in 19 minutes. And I just need everyone to understand my anxiety. Okay, so it is the next day. Yesterday, after I finished recording the reel, I had the Zoom meeting with this creators network. And then after that, I had to go make some edits on the Snapchat show that I do with Anscape. And after that, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna sit down, edit things that I recorded yesterday, and we'll just pick this back up tomorrow. The content is due today, but I'm not freaking out. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna get done. I would have preferred to get everything done yesterday, but it was just unrealistic with the time that I had and the amount of meetings that I had, but we just gonna make it work today. So basically, let me go ahead and show y'all the setup in this bathroom. Okay, so overall, this is the setup in my bathroom right now. So as you can see, I had to bring out the real ring light because the one that's attached to this one, I guess it broke after yesterday. It's fine. Honestly, this product was so cheap. I can literally just buy another product with a ring light attached to it. It's not the end of the world. And then here, I actually took out all my products and just presented just Palmer's products because I don't want to have anything conflicting in the background of the video. You know, you don't want to have any competitors and stuff like that. And then I just have my iPad here with basically my little guy. So I'm going to be recording my stories right now. So the concept for what I'm trying to capture for the stories is going to be very similar to like how I captured content for my curly hair reel that I posted. So basically like me in the shower, you know, using the products. And then I'll be doing some outside footage completely outside of the bathroom, probably in my bedroom bedroom. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and do the in-feed photos. I gotta dry my hair, of course, with the diffuser so that I could like speed up the time. I always prefer air dried hair, but when you have content like this and you need things to get done, the diffuser just gonna have to work, honey. Okay, I'm back. So I just finished editing the reel within Final Cut Pro, and now I'm actually going to like split up the clips because what I'm editing is the stories. I want to be able to put the text on the stories through the Instagram app, and so I'm basically having to cut up certain pieces of the video so that certain text doesn't overlap onto parts of the video that doesn't need to be a part of. And so the easiest way for me to really do that, honestly, is to split it up on Canva, because I can do that with Final Cut Pro, but there's just such a process that you would have to do that it wouldn't even like, it wouldn't make sense. So basically, after I like split up the clips on Canva, I like download clips individually and then save them onto my computer and save them as like story 1, story 2, so that I know like the order of what they should be in. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get set up to take some of the in-feed still post. Okay, so for the still images, I kind of basically just want to like put the product on my pegboard some way, somehow. So I'm gonna obviously take some things off and like reconfigure. I think I'm primarily just gonna like this. I don't know, in my head when I thought about it, like it was making sense, you know? And now that we're here, I'm like, I don't know, we gonna see. All right, y'all, I got everything set up. I'm in a whole new dress. This dress is actually from Francesca's, and then these gold hoops are just from Target. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and take the photos. Let me show you the setup. Here's the ring light, and then I literally just wrapped my like phone tripod around the chair. Listen, you do what you need to do to get the picture, okay? Period. And then for photos, I'm using portrait mode in the natural light. I feel like that just looks, again, like the most natural, but also you get that like studio finish. Okay, here we go.